Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing very colorful, vibrant, with all the assorted vegetables, mixed vegetable or mixed sabzi. It was a request from a friend Temina Inam, and I'm sharing this recipe with all of you guys on her request. So let's go and make it happen. First, take some pot, add some cooking oil, then add sliced onions and start frying until onions get very nice light golden color and they become soft. Then I'm adding minced garlic. I'm not adding any ginger, but if you want, you can do so. Fry garlic for like a minute or two. Then I'm adding some cubed potatoes. Then immediately I realized I forgot to add cumin seeds and mustard seeds. You do that before and fry them for a minute or two. Then add potatoes and fry the potatoes until they get very nice bright color. Then I'm adding all those vegetables which need a longer cooking time. I'm adding cauliflower and some cubed tomatoes. Mix all the vegetables and then season it with some salt, red chili powder, and turmeric powder. Now mix all the seasonings very well with your vegetables. Then cover and then we need to cook until potatoes are almost to doneness. Then I'm adding some frozen vegetables, which includes corn, carrot, peas, and green beans. And I'm adding some more peas as well because we love peas at here. Then cover and simmer and let them cook until all your vegetables are completely tender. Then I'm adding some sliced peppers and some chopped cilantro. I'm adding the colorful ones. Once they are sweet, and second, they enhance the color and presentation of your dish. Mix them with a very light hand and then put it on dum. Serve them with some chopped cilantro on top or with some naan, paratha, chapati roti, or even with some steamed rice. If you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you guys. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.